Hi, I'm Kate, and I know from personal experience that having access to over 65,000 items is wonderful, except when you're trying to locate that one thing your boss likes and needs now. At AAA Business Supplies and Interiors, our easy solution enables you to create multiple lists and name them in a way that makes it really easy to find items. So go ahead and name your list. Pens, indelible mark, toners, coverage for Lisa. We promise that your favorite people will never know. The lists are unique to your logon. Having fun with AAA is just one reason why people are saying, love the difference.
Use the favorites lists to save your frequently ordered items. You can set up multiple lists based on your needs. For example, new employee kit, specific department preferences, and break room supplies. Specify standard order quantities and notes that you want to appear on the invoice. Share your favorites lists with your colleagues in either your department or your entire account.